The Golden Mean Idiom. Hello everyone. Have you ever heard the saying everything in moderation? Today we are going to explore a similar idea called the Golden Mean Idiom. To understand it better, we'll dive into the thrilling story of Icarus and Daedalus, a tale of daring escape and a valuable lesson. So grab your imaginary wings and get ready to fly with me as we uncover the secrets of the Golden Mean. On a sunny Greek island lived a clever inventor named Daedalus and his son Icarus, a curious young boy. Unfortunately, they were trapped. The grumpy king Minos wouldn't let them leave the island. Daedalus, never one to be stumped, had a crazy idea. He gathered feathers, straw, and sticky tree sap. Day by day he crafted giant wings, mimicking the birds soaring freely above. Icarus watched in awe. "Imagine that," he'd say, "flying like those birds above the clouds." Finally, the wings were complete. They looked magnificent, light as air and powerful enough to carry them both. Daedalus warned Icarus, "The key is balance, my son. Fly high enough to escape, but not too close to the sun. The sun's heat can melt the wax holding the feathers together." Excited and a little nervous, they strapped on the wings. With a strong flap, they lifted off the ground, soaring higher and higher. The world looked like a teeny toy island below. Icarus, filled with joy, forgot his father's warning. He kept climbing closer and closer to the glorious sun. Suddenly disaster struck. The sun's scorching heat melted the wax on Icarus' wings. Feathers scattered in the wind, and Icarus plummeted towards the sea with a scream. Daedalus watched in horror as his son disappeared into the waves. Overcome with grief, Daedalus finally landed. He understood his terrible mistake. He hadn't just built wings, he'd forgotten to teach Icarus about the golden mean, the importance of finding the perfect balance. By flying too high, Icarus had reached for something beyond his limits. This story teaches us the importance of the golden mean, not just in flying, but in life. Don't be too cautious or you'll never reach your dreams. But also, don't be reckless or you might be face the consequences. Find the perfect balance and you'll soar high. So there you have it, the golden mean, finding that perfect balance between extremes. Let's remember this lesson as we navigate our own journeys.